Hey everybody, this is TecX and today I am going to unbox an amazing stuff which I ordered few days ago and it arrived today. So this is the box from Zapvi. You can see clearly it's in my hand and it's feeling amazing. So you can see there's an receipt behind it. And this is the box, and let me first break the seal. So yeah, this is pretty much easy to break it, and let's break it. Okay, so it breaked. So here you can read the receipt here. I'm just keeping this side, and let's take out the main box. Yeah, this is the box and they covered well, means it is protected. So let's take out our main cover which I ordered. So this is running street, an amazing run the street kind of back cover, and it's feeling good. Let's see, nothing in this box, and let me take out this cover. Yeah, it feel like amazing. I mean, it's feeling like in hand. Yeah, so this is the cover, and you can clearly see amazing things behind it, and this is for my Samsung Galaxy A31, so it's feeling good in my hand. So let me come on main point of this back cover which I ordered from Zapvi, which is an amazing website from where you can purchase these kind of back covers. It is your hard case, and it is really good at this price point, and it is of your just at $99, and plus your shipping charge they are adding, that is your $60. It is okay, I think, because I researched well, and this company, that is Zapvi, is located at your nearly, I guess, Gujarat from my sources, and I don't think there will be any problem if you pay for shipping, because there's a lot more things they are doing, like by traveling and these things, all the cost. And I will say the build quality is very good. You can surely go for it, and I'm just reviewing this after you guys after your 4 month, and it is very well in my hands, and it is pretty much snug, totally snug, I will say. And you won't see anything unfit or that kind of thing. And I am using it for last 4 or 3 months, and its color is good, not disappeared totally. It's totally fine, and it totally look like new, so you can surely go for it. And this is the whole review of my new Samsung Galaxy hard case cover, and I will keep making videos of unboxing whenever I will purchase any new stuff of your smartphone and tech world. So this is the whole video of the unboxing. If you like this video, just share with your friends. And one thing that I forgot to mention, if you wanna purchase, I will put link in description of Zapvi, so you can go easily and check out their variety of covers there. You can check out, and yeah, so this was the whole video. We will see an amazing and another unboxing video. So this is just for today, and I will be seeing you in next amazing video.